Hi you guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What to Bake. This week we will be attempting a popular trend, Dalgona Coffee. So what is Dalgona Coffee? It is a South Korean coffee that you make from equal parts coffee, water and sugar. You whisk it up until it becomes light and fluffy. So I will be showing you how to make the coffee version, but I also decided to turn it into a mug cake. Without further ado, let's get baking. So we're first going to start with the Dalgona coffee cream. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to add instant coffee, sugar and water. Then using a whisk, you're going to whisk until it becomes light and fluffy. This is a killer on the arms. As you guys can see in the video, I had to take a couple of breaks. So if that doesn't sound as fun, you can also use a hand mixer. And as easy as that, there you have Dalgona coffee cream. To assemble, you will add ice cubes to a glass, a cup of milk, you can use any substitute for milk that you want, and then finally you can add your Dalgona cream. If you want to make it even more fancy, you can add a little bit of cocoa powder. Now let's move on and turn it into a mug cake. For the mug cake, we will add butter and chocolate into a mug and melt in the microwave. Then we will add our egg and mix well. Add vanilla and sugar. Next, you can add your baking powder and flour. And then finally, we can add our milk. Bake in the microwave for 90 seconds. So we're going to use the same method again to make the Dalgona coffee cream. To finish off our mug cake, we're going to add our Dalgona coffee cream. And then sprinkle a little bit of cocoa powder. It is a little bit messy, but so delicious. And there you have it, my version of a Dalgona coffee and Dalgona mug cake. It has this big fancy name, but it's actually super easy to make and so delicious. So try the Dalgona coffee to maybe spice up your coffee game in the morning. If you decide to give this a try, remember to tag me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. If you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Have fun baking!